Alright guys, I'm here on Jeju Island in South Korea. So come join me in an afternoon of street photography. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to be heading to the markets, and I'm on the south part of the South Island in South Korea. So today I am shooting on a 70-200 with my Canon setup. 70-200 I like in the markets because you can get a really nice reach when it comes to getting candid moments. For example, this area. Ginger or something. 안녕하세요.
식당도 있어요. 멋이요.
말고 신발치기 어디 있어? 나 여기
Alright, so what I'm going to do now is see that there's this lady. So if you see the actual market here. We've got a lot of space to work with now, and I really like this shot because this lady is front and center, and I can just shift this to about F4. And once these guys go, hopefully we're gonna get a beautiful composition. No, don't leave me. Just coming back. Sort of like a little bit tough. Oh, now she's sitting down at least. There's something there maybe. When these guys get out of the way. In the meantime, let's just have a little look around. Now we got it. Let this lady go through. Try to get this real fast.
아까 저기가 5번이야? 아까
Look at that. That's pork we got right here. I have to really crank up the ISO here. This all just looks unbelievable. 안녕하세요. Okay, let's continue onwards. I love shooting with this lens. You can just like really pinpoint people. You can also like get down really low. Just wait for her to get in a position. Beautiful. And then also if we see just, I love how we've got the pants here as the foreground, and in the distance we've got the lady in the shoe shop. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get you there. Oh, there she is. Oh, boost it up a little bit. So what I love about shooting in these places is you can get frames within frames when you're in a market. Now, give you an example. So we have this lady here in her little store watching the television. She's just chilling in there. Boom. Can I take a picture of you? Or maybe you go this side. I'll go on this side. The hell is this? Thanks. What the hell was that?